snowing and don't know what to do? Welcome to Ashton's Crunchy Kitchen. Today we're gonna be making snow cream. That's right, it's snowing in Georgia. What? I've had a few requests that I need to do some snow cream. So I unfortunately didn't get the snow while it was falling out of the sky. I went outside and I found an area that was piled up and I scraped the top off of it and got that snow from underneath. So if that's not how you're supposed to do it, then don't come at me. I'll let you know if we get digestive issues afterwards. Anyways, let's get started. First, you want 8 to 10 cups of fluffy snow. Next, add in 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I actually saw where you can use milk or evaporated milk, but I'm using heavy whipping cream. Some vanilla. Now you just want to stir all this together. And one trick for you guys, put a bowl or like a mason jar or something, whatever you're gonna eat this out of, put it in the freezer before you mix up all your ingredients so that it'll be cold and your ice cream won't melt as fast. I used a mason jar and we're just gonna put this in there and try it. I'm going to put some Hershey's chocolate and some caramel on the sides of mine. That looks so good. Okay, now put your ice cream in your mason jar. All right, guys, this ice cream is done and now it's time to try it. That is so good, y'all. I hope it snows more often in Georgia now so I can have snow cream. Please. Please! It's so good! What do you think, Rome? Alright guys, we gotta go because we gotta eat this ice cream. That's a thumbs up from me. If you like the content that you saw today, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel and let me know what you want to see more of. Until next time.